Welcome back to PSY's Tech Byte. Today I want to talk with you about how you can leverage Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 while using Microsoft Excel. In fact, you can benefit of Copilot when you want to create, for example, calculated columns, or you want to highlight or analyze data, or when you want to create charts or pivots. And you can also use Copilot to get instructions about how to use Excel itself, and Copilot will give you back instructions and actions that you can use to improve your usage of Microsoft Excel. So, like always, it is a tool that improves your productivity and lets you save a ton of time. So, let me move to the demo environment and let me show you how to do that in practice.
So, here I am in Excel and I have an hypothetical list of movies played in the US. And I want to analyze this data using Copilot in Microsoft Excel. So let me select the table, because in order to use Copilot in Excel you need to have a table, an active table. And then let me provide, for example, the following prompt. So highlight the top 10 values in domestic gross. Now Copilot will analyze my data, will determine what are the top 10 values in the domestic gross, and will highlight them, as we will see soon. Okay, finishing up. And here we are. Now we have got the highlighting of the top 10 items. How can we see that? Let me sort from largest to smallest. We can see that we have the top 10 items highlighted. Another interesting thing that you can do, for example, is to create custom columns based on formulas on the data that you have. So again, select the table, and the prompt could be, for example, add column year from release date. So it will analyze the release date column. It will extract a formula to define a new additional column called year, and it will make it possible for me to add this column to my Excel sheet. So almost there, generating the formula, and here it is. I have a suggestion. If I hover on the insert column button, I can see that I can click on it and I will have a new column with the year, which is a calculated field based on the release date. Another interesting thing that you can do, just to give you a few examples, is that you can give the following prompt. Analyze data in the domestic gross column and group results by genre. Okay, so we are going to group data inside our table. Let's do that and let's see what happens. Working on it again, understanding the data and analyzing the data, and once it will be done, we will get back as a result, as you can see, a new chart with all of the genres, aggregated data about the domestic gross for every single genre. I can add to a new sheet this graph and this chart, and I can have my data with a pivot table ready to go. So really powerful and time saving.
Like always, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you next week. Thank you.